2,
3.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
And tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, blue.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
Allez, viens.
What a lovely day, isn't it, donkey? Oh, hello, Tiny.
Oh, hello, Tom. Isn't it a lovely day?
I can hear all the little leaves in the breeze.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Yep.
I can hear the little birds all singing in the trees.
Yeah.
Oh, and I can hear...
Oh, a funny sort of squeaky noise.
Yeah, I can hear a funny sort of squeaky noise.
Yeah.
Wonder where it's coming from.
I don't know. It's funny.
Strange.
I've never heard a funny sort of squeaky noise like that before.
No, nor have I.
Well, there's nothing on the ground making a funny sort of squeaky noise.
There's nothing in the sky making a funny squeaky noise.
No. Oh. Strange.
Tony,
Yeah.
is that funny squeaky noise coming from your cardigan?
No, Tom, it isn't coming from my cardigan.
Come on, let's see. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, nothing coming from there.
No, nothing coming from my cardigan. Well, where is it coming from?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Bonjour.
Yeah, it's Tilly all along. Oh, Tom, that's really funny. It's Tilly all along.
Chilly all the time.
Yeah. Oh, Tom, I'm going to go and tell her. Tilly, you'll never guess.
Quoi, Tiny?
Tom and me, we were in the garden and we were listening to the birds singing and the trees rustling and we heard this funny squeaky noise and we didn't know what it was and then it was you, all along.
Oh, ça c'est drôle alors.
Yeah, Tilly, it's really funny.
Oh, c'est quoi ce bruit?
Yeah, Tilly, what's that noise? It's a funny sort of scraping noise.
D'où ça vient?
Yeah, where's it coming from?
Ça vient pas de par terre?
Oh, yeah, it's not coming from the floor, is it, that noise? It's not coming from up on the ceiling, either.
Peut-être ça vient de ton pantalon?
No, Tilly, actually, I don't think it is coming from my trousers.
Oh, Tiny, regarde, c'est Tom. Oh, Tom.
Oh, hello, Tilly. Hello, Tiny.
Hello, Tom. It was still making that funny scraping noise.
Je vais aller lui dire.
Oh, yes, Tilly, go and tell Tom, come on. Oh, what a funny noise.
Tom.
Oh, Tilly.
Tu sais pas, j'étais avec Tiny là tout à l'heure. On a entendu un drôle de bruit, on savait pas ce que c'était. Et c'était toi.
You didn't know, Tilly, what this funny scrapey noise was.
C'est drôle, hein?
It's funny.
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que ce slurpy, blurpy bruit là?
Yeah, Tilly. What is that funny, slurpy, burpy sort of noise?
C'est pas les fleurs.
Yeah. There's no slurpy, burpy noise coming from the flowers.
Non.
And there's no slurpy, burpy noise coming from the trees.
Tom, peut-être que ça vient de ton ventre.
Excuse me, Tilly. There is no slurpy, burpy noise coming from my tummy, thank you very much. Tilly, look! It's tiny!
Oui, c'est Tiny.
Oh, hello, Tom. Hello, Tilly.
Bonjour Tiny.
Hello, Tiny!
Tiny, on a entendu un drôle de bruit.
Yeah, Tiny, we heard this funny slurpy, blurpy sort of noise and we didn't know what it was.
Oh, didn't you know it was only my milkshake?
Oh non.
No, we didn't.
Non.
Tiny,
Yeah.
guess what?
What?
Tilly thought that slurpy, blurpy noise was my tummy. Tilly.
Yeah, that is funny.
C'est drôle, hein?
Yeah, that is funny, Tilly. What on earth was that funny noise?
I don't know.
Oh, well,
Hey, Tom.
yeah,
It's been a bit of a funny, noisy sort of a day,
it
hasn't
certainly has.
it? Funny noises.
I don't know.
Ah,